This is question 37 of Civil Engineering paper GATE 2014 afternoon session. An infinitely long slope is made up of a C5 soil having the properties cohesion equal to 20 kilopascal and dry unit weight equal to 16 kilonewton per meter cube. The angle of inclination and critical height of the slope are 40 degree and 5 meter respectively. To maintain the limiting equilibrium, the angle of internal friction of the soil is. So, in this question, for an infinitely long slope, the property of the soil is given, the cohesion is 20 kilopascal and dry unit weight is 16 kilonewton per meter cube. The angle of slope and critical height of the slope is also given 40 degree and 5 meter respectively. So, we need to find the angle of internal friction of the soil for limiting equilibrium. So, this question is from the topic of stability of slope. You may study about the stability condition for different types of slope and for different condition in detail by watching lecture 55 stability of slope, soil mechanics geotechnical engineering 1 by Professor Dilip Kumar Vaid, IIT Kharagpur. So, for limiting equilibrium, the factor of safety of the slope becomes 1. So, first of all, we must know the factor of safety formula for infinitely long slope and C5 soil for dry condition. So, for C5 soil and dry condition, the factor of safety of the slope is equal to C plus gamma z cos square beta tan phi dash by gamma z sin beta into cos beta. Here, the F denotes the factor of safety of the slope, C is the cohesion, gamma is the unit weight of the soil, Z is the height at which we are finding the factor of safety, beta is the angle of slope and phi is the angle of internal friction. Now, here also it is mentioned that to maintain the limiting equilibrium. So, for limiting equilibrium, we know the factor of safety becomes 1. For limiting equilibrium, the factor of safety becomes 1. So, from this equation, we can write the factor of safety, that is 1 is equal to C, that is cohesion 20 plus gamma dry unit weight 16 into Z, that is critical height here 5 meter. So, 16 into 5 cos square beta. So, beta is given as 40 degree, which is angle of inclination of the slope. So, cos square 40 degree into tan phi. Phi is the angle of internal friction of the soil which we need to find, divided by gamma z. Gamma is 16, z is 5, sin beta into cos beta. So, sin 40 into cos 40. So, when we solve this equation, we will get phi, that is angle of internal friction of the soil, as 22.44 degree. So, here for this question we found the angle of internal friction of the soil as 22.44 degree. So, 22.44 is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.